Hi guys, welcome back to my channel at Bizyjoe.com. So today I'll be showing you how to set up a YouTube ad using Google AdWords, the Google's ad. So and if today is your first time visiting my channel Bizyjoe.com, please do well to subscribe to my channel, share a video with your friends and family. So let me move over to my screen and show you how you can set up Google ad, that's YouTube ad, promoting videos on YouTube channels. So let me use my browser. So this is the Google ad I just set up. So you can watch the video. I'm making the link available on how to create your Google AdWord and get Google promo code. That's free 300 Google ad credits. I will be making the video available in the description. So do want to check that video. So if you want to create a YouTube ad, you click on create new campaign. So as you can see, we have what's your campaign objective. So there are so many things that you can choose from. We have sales, lead, website traffic, product and brand app promotion, and all that. So, but in this case now, what you want to do, you want to create a campaign without a goal guidance. So that's what you want to create because you can see from here you don't have maybe YouTube ad, maybe all these things you're having, there's no YouTube and all that. So we want to create it without. So you click on this, so you can see we have search, we have performance maps, we have display, we have shop, we have video, we have ad and discovery. So this discovery runs ad on YouTube, email and all that. You can use it, but we don't want to use discovery ad. We don't what is video ad, reach viewers on YouTube and get this is what we actually want. So click on this. So what we want to do is I want to get, depending on what you want to do, you can select a campaign subtype. Get video campaign was split into get views and efficient reach. Get views and influence consideration of your product. Efficient reach, target a frequency, non-skippable in-stream ad. This share your, so you select the kind of YouTube ad that you want to target, I want to get. So, but by default, it shows to get views, and this gets views and influence consideration of your product or brand with skippable in-stream ad and in-feed video ad. So this type of ad appears at the is a skippable ad and also appear as in-feed video ads. Do you understand? So you can this particular is an skippable in-stream ad. So what you need to consider here is like where the ad is being placed, whether skippable or inskippable and all that, in feed and all that. So you can still see this ad is skippable in stream ad, non skippable, that's second frequency. They have non skippable in stream ad. Then we have drive conversation. Then like this get more conversation with video are designed to enrich viewers interaction. So audio reach your audience while they are listening on YouTube. So this one for audio ad. So depending on your campaign objective, you can select the one. So you can, this one is not available because some video campaign was split into. So let's go and use get views. So then you click on continue. So we are here now. So what you need to do just to give your campaign a name. Sorry, we have already done this before, so there's no end of doing that again. So we go to continue. So this is campaign name. You can change this to campaign name. Put the name of our campaign. Let's say camp camp one. But it's better to put the name of your maybe video you want to promote here. So the type of bid strategy you want. So campaign, maybe total campaign, maybe you have a daily budget or total campaign you want to spend. Anyone, you can choose any of them here. So let's leave it as total campaign. Let's say you want to spend $100. So startup date is that's today. So if you're then you have an end date, let's put 10th. So USD campaign total amount is similar to 20 daily budget. So you leave it like that. Then network, add a network. Let's put this drop down. YouTube, the first one is YouTube. Ads can appear on YouTube video and channel, YouTube home, and YouTube search results. Video partner on new. If you want this to appear on other YouTube network, you can select that. But I don't want this. I just want it to only appear on YouTube. So then location, you can select all countries, or you can leave it Nigeria, or you can enter the country of your choice, any of them. So let's just leave this like this. Then language, you can select your language. Let's put English there. So let me put English. I don't want my ad to appear to in just English language. So let's then another one is related video. Add related video. Add video related to your video ad to help increase your engagement. So you can add as many related video as you like. So let me go back to my channel. Let me go and add related video. Let me search. You can search or you can copy. Let me go and copy one of my video here and copy this and come back. Sorry. I will come back here and put this here. So this is the video in question. So I click on done. So this is how it appears. So let me also add another video again. Make sure that the video you are putting will be related to the video campaign you want to create. So let me also add this particular video. Copy link address. I'll go back, still search, I'll put this. You can see at least two related videos. These are my videos. I'll click on done. Then additional setting, if you want to create add additional settings like the devices, so you can put the frequency capping on, schedule day. I'll just leave this like this, but you can edit that. Then add group name. Let's see one group one. So this is for speed testing. If you want to add many group of your choice, you can add that. Then this for demographics. So you add gender, all that, add segments. So let's go to add segments. There's nothing much to do here. Select audience segment to define who should see your ad. So in this place now, in this aspect, depending on your campaign actually, you can select the type of maybe business or your keyword that you want to target. So let's say for example, the video I want to promote here, if I made that particular video for a specific people, you understand, then like this free WordPress, I'm making this particular video for web designers, content creators. So I'll go to my YouTube, I'll search for web designers, website designers. So these are the people that will be interested in my video. So I'm searching for, so in market other websites builder and software. So web design and hosting companies, design websites and all that. So these are website design services, website design agency and all that, web design, WordPress website development and all that. So these are audience segments. So once you are done with that, reach more audience who are similar to my, so you still click on reach more audience. So once you are done with your audience segmentation, then you can also come to keyword. You can add that same keywords, the web design. Go and do your keyword research. Web design. Add as many keywords as websites development. You can copy and or you can search for keywords. Enter a related website. Then you can search for keywords or products. So after adding your keywords, you click on. Then you go to topics. Search for topics. So let's search for design, web design and development. So then content management, e-commerce service, script language, and all that web design service. So we are done with these topics. So placement. So placement is YouTube. Let's say YouTube channel. Uh, let's go to YouTube channels. So if you want this particular placement to appear on somebody's else YouTube channel, maybe you have the person, maybe like an influencer or somebody that is big in the industry. You are producing the content regarding web design. You can go to YouTube and search. Let's say, for example, you go to YouTube now and search for web design. Web design. So as I search for this web design now, let me go and find a very big YouTuber. So this is having a 2.7 million views on this particular this. Then this person is having, then let me go and find out. Okay, this is also having Flux Academy. This particular person is Invento. So this is a very big brand. You understand? They have 1.24 million subscribers. Wow, that's very cool. So I can actually go and copy this particular brand. So I want this particular video to show because I know that people that subscribe to this particular channel, they are my potential customer. They are also be interested in what the video I'm showing them. So you can actually make this video to appear on all these on people that are watching, people that are subscribed to this particular channel. That's what this particular place is telling you. So you can search by URL, you can search by video, you can add YouTube channels there, you can add YouTube video or video line. So that's for the placement you want this appear. But if you don't select any placement, YouTube will just show it on people that search on Google search. So we are having a warning here. It's telling us combining multiple content targeting method can limit your ad campaign performance. So you can fix the multiple targeting. So you can fix that from our targeting. So let's go to this demography and audience segment. So you can this is where the error is coming from. So you can actually remove this audience segmentation and all that, but you can still leave it if you don't. So let's go to keyword. Okay, let's go to the then create your video ad. You now create your video ad. So let's go and search for our channel. Let's go back to our channel and search and see the video. Let's we want to use this particular video. You copy link, copy this particular link, then go back, put the link here. The video appears. So you select this requires skippable in stream ad or in feed ad. This skippable this appear when somebody wants to watch a video. Before you watch a video, this type of ad that show on people's screen. Then in feed video ad, while you are watching a video, you will see ad break. Then they will show ad. These are in feed ads. So you can select any of them. So I will go with in-skippable ad. Then you add the final destination. That's the video. Is my video destination. Display URL. Let's leave it like this. Call to action. So let's click. If you have any, let's put watch now. Watch now as our call to action. Click here to watch. Let's just click here to watch. Just click here. Add your optional auto generate. So let's just leave this like this. Then bid. Let's bid for $5. Your bid set amount. These are so after everything, you also check. Okay, we are having video longer than 3 minutes does not usually perform as well. So as short video, as well as shorter video. So let's just leave this like this. So if you are these are just warnings. This is warning. So you go through your ads. If it's okay, then you just click on create campaign. You wait. Congratulations, your campaign is ready. Your campaign it's undergoing a review. Continue to campaign. So this particular campaign is undergoing a review. It's enabled. So all these things, as you can see, my total budget is $100. Status eligible. So it will undergo a review. Once the campaign is okay, then it will start running on my channel. It will start promoting my channel actually. So this the group you created. You can if you want you can create another group. This like split testing, knowing the one that performs. So on the normal you are supposed to have like up to even 5 to 10 groups of different ad. Know the one that perform better. So you can choose this. You can even put this to be $2. Let's add $2. You understand? So this is eligible, as you can see. So this is capable in stream ad. You can create another group of another particular. Maybe you have in stream, then you create another one. Our campaign is let's just put this to be two. Then we targeted we use keyword. Then we can use okay audience segmentation. Let's use audience segmentation. Then you select another. Let's just select website and all that and do this. So let's leave all this keyword and all that. We still put the same video here. YouTube video. This is the video in question. So in-feed video ad. So let's just leave it like this. Then you put all these things. Put the headline, free WordPress, free WordPress. Then let me just copy this like this and put it. Then you find just use your chat GPT and do all this. So let's also put $2 here. So you save ad group. So you create as many ad group as possible. So what you need to be just to changing the whether the placement, the audience segment, the keyword, and all those things. Just change it. So when your ads start running, what you need to do, all this your ad group, you see the one that is performing, the one that is getting impression, the one that is getting view, the costs and all that. Once you see the one that is performing and the one that is not performing, the one that is not performing, you just delete it, just highlight, then you click on edit. You can pause the ad or you can remove the ad. So that's what to just do. So that's how you can be able to create your YouTube ad and monitor your YouTube ad to see how it performs on your YouTube ad, Google on your YouTube ad. So if you find any useful on this particular, if you find this particular video useful, please do it to share this video with your friends, like and comment on the next video you would like me to produce. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching this video.